The idea is about our idea of fair trade, that it's fair all along the supply chain, from the raw material supplier all the way to the end user, that everyone involved in the product has good working conditions, enjoys what they're doing, and also enjoys sharing. They're sharing a bit of their culture and their heritage and their skill with the users of the product. Maybe it starts with appreciating nature. The inspiration for the design is from nature, like the bougainvillea, for example, or it's appreciating the material in its natural form. And then it's the smile and the enjoyment of the making something with your hands and with loving care. Then the end user shopping for it at the store, the using in their own home, or the giving it as a gift, and the enjoyment when you set a beautiful table and you make food that shares love with your friends and family or who's ever eating with you. It's all about the smile, and I hope that it connects them with the maker.